Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for IT service company. So I'm an owner of an IT service company, and to promote my company I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row so that I can store the data of all the leads received at one place. So here to build this connection I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for IT service company. So I run an IT service company and I use Facebook lead ads to attract new clients. So here on my screen, you can see my Facebook page which I have created for my company with the name Tech Tribe. And here to promote my company, I am running some Facebook lead ads. So now here in this case, I want that whenever a potential customer fills out their contact information, I want to keep track of all their details easily. So by adding these leads to Google Sheets, I can organize their information in one place. This helps me quickly follow up with them, see what service they are interested in, and manage my outreach efforts more effectively. This way, I can turn those inquiries into real business opportunities without losing track of any leads. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. But if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given in the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for IT service company. And here I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. They are used to generate leads directly on Facebook without requiring users to leave the platform to fill out a form on a website. When someone clicks on a lead ad, they see a form pre-filled with their Facebook information, making it quick and easy for them to submit their details, such as name, email address, and phone number. Businesses use Facebook lead ads to build their customer base by capturing leads effectively, which they can then follow up with through email marketing, sales calls, or other communications to convert them into customers. It's a convenient way for businesses to reach potential customers and grow their sales directly on Facebook. So in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Tech Tribe. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the page I'm going to select my page as Tech Tribe. Scrolling it till down, and then here it is asking me for the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the form that I've created with the name lead form. So in this case, I'm going to use this particular form, and you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the lead gen form, I'm going to select the form as lead form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want to get the leads of multiple forms, then you can select all lead gen forms from here. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So to generate a test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this My Apps given over here. And here under My Apps, I'm going to select Tools option. And here under Developer Tools, I'm going to select a tool that is Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. And now here under this Lead Ads Testing tool, it is asking me to select the page and my form. So you can see my page and my form is already selected. So here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number and some other details such as created time, form ID, field data and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now here after setting up a trigger, I want to add the leads received from my Facebook lead ads to my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. It's like having a powerful and flexible digital workbook that you can access from any device with an internet connection. People use Google Sheets because it's super convenient for collaborating with others in real time. Whether they are tracking expenses, creating project plans, analyzing data, or working on a group assignment. Google Sheets makes it easy to work together and stay organized. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Google apps like Google Drive and Google Forms, making it a go-to tool for personal and professional use. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Tech Tribe Leads. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Tech Tribe Leads. And now here for the sheet, I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, scrolling little down. And here you can see it is asking me for the name, email and phone number. So basically these are the fields that I've entered in my Google Sheets. So here moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's name. So this is my lead's first name, space, last name, scrolling little down. Here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email. And lastly, here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully added the new details in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received the detail over here where we have received the name as test user, email as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we are going to generate a new test lead in our Facebook lead ads. And here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my existing lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And after clicking on this delete lead, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. So now here after refreshing my window, here you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form. So here I'm going to select my page that is named as Tech Tribe, and here I'm going to select my form as lead form. And now here to generate a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. Now again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the name as Smart Lead, email as smart@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically the lead detail is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.